Question number 26. A siren emits sound of wavelength lambda and speed c when at rest. Okay, a siren now moves. Which kind of question is this? This is Doppler effect. Whenever there is a question on Doppler effect, I always suggest you write down the full formula and then read the question. So what you do is write down the full formula. The apparent frequency f dash will be equal to f naught into c plus v naught divided by c minus vs. This is the formula. Observer on the top, source at the bottom. That's what you need to remember here. Okay. And here it should be negative and this should be positive, right? Siren now moves. Okay, what's happening? The siren now moves, which means what? The source is moving. Then when a siren emits, okay, stationary observer. When stationary observer, which means what? Towards stationary observer at speed v, which means vs is equal to v. So I can now write f naught into, this is c plus v0, observer is at rest, divided by, it should be c minus v. Okay. Now, what is the wavelength and speed of the sound? Speed of the sound received by the observer when v is much lesser than c. Okay, so when v is much lesser than c, then what is where is it? Right. Okay, so what is the speed of sound has been asking. See, speed of sound does not change, okay, as long as the velocity is lesser than the value of c. That is the speed of sound, speed of the sound that you hear over there. Okay, so it does not ride on top of it. So therefore, definitely these two are incorrect. These two are incorrect. These two are incorrect. Amongst these two only you should choose. Now towards it, I want wavelength. So what I will do is for f dash, I'll write this as c by lambda dash. And f naught, I'll write this as c by lambda naught into c by c minus v. This c and this c goes away. So what have I left out? Lambda dash. I'll write lambda dash is equal to lambda into c minus v divided by c. What I have done is I've just flipped it, right? So which will now be equal to lambda naught into 1 minus v by c. 1 minus v by c into lambda naught. Oh, I don't have lambda naught, it's lambda here. Okay, so therefore B is the right answer.